Hello students, this is Yashodhari. We will continue our next practical, that is your implement map reduce and aggregation indexing with a suitable example in a MongoDB. So now in that you have to demonstrate a aggregation framework and create and drop different types of indexing and explain the method to show the advantages of index. So in this video I will cover only the aggregation and how we have to create the index and how to get the what are the indexing attributes we are doing. Okay, so let's start our open the shell. In this I have on now in a student database, right? Means a student collection. In that I have a book one. So need to first find how many records or how many uh, collections we have inserted. Total is 15 and what are those? We have to find that one. Okay, these are the, in this book I have given the ID, that is a number, title is a book name, author name and a department, and subject is which subject they are written, author and price. So how we have to get the aggregation? What is the, first of all know what is the aggregation pipeline. The aggregation pipeline processes data through a series of stages where each stage transfers the document and passes the result to the next stage. In simple words, we can say the output of a first query is act as an input to the next query. Means once output is act as an input to the get the result in a single format or single line. How we have to? In this, they are including a dollar of match you can do and dollar of group and dollar of sort. Then we get the output. Means we can perform a number of queries or you can say a method to execute to filter the all the records. Okay. So how? In this I have taken the books. So how we have to write the aggregation function? See, db dot your collection name, right? Then aggregation. Aggregate is a method, right? In this we have to write what we have to get the result. I want to make a group of IDs. Which type of IDs? The price, that include the price and the title of that particular price book. Okay, press enter. See the, concentrate on the how we have to aggregate the functions. Means db dot your collection name and type aggregate and opening the brace square bracket and curly brace dollar of a group, we are making a group, then id and dollar of price title. I am pressing now enter. What it gives? This is how it will give the IDs. Okay, here from starting it will take a 650, 800 the price of the all the books and their title. Okay, this is how the aggregation will be done. So in a aggregation we can make other as well. In this we are, I have to say here, this is another data we have a collections, right? That is a teacher. So in teacher, the teacher having a male and female. How we have to group that? This is a simple one, grouping with the age. How many age group persons are there in a collection? That is 25 age group is that 34, 35, 32 like that the number. Now in this we are aggregating the group with the age and their name. Okay, they aggregating means we are grouping with their age and want to push their name as well. So using this command we get the ID means age group 38, the name of that person is Jack. Like this aggregation will help to retrieve a data in a single line in a sequence wise and good manner. Okay, now it's for the grouping and everything. how the match function, match aggregation will done using db.teacher aggregate with a dollar of match, the matching of what? The gender, either male or female. It's a match will use either true or false, right? Here gender, matching with the gender whose male are there, group on the basis of age and tell me the count of a particular teacher age group and someone. So what is the in a 38 of age group, the teacher group age is 1. How many persons are there in a group? There is 1. Like that, 31, the age of 31 like persons or teachers having in a group is 2. 2 persons having the same age. Like this, we have to use a match as well as a group of a same data or collection. I hope this clear how why we are using the aggregation, right? It is a pipeline. Now move on to next, that is a indexing. What is indexing? Indexing, what meaning of index? Index, why we need index? Okay, so how we have to create the index? Index is give the a value either 1 or minus 1. It may be indicate, its a syntax is create index, create, sorry, db dot collection name and create index. Here I am making a multiple indexing, means a multi attributes you can take and you can make the indexing. Using the create index, I should be capital. I am making the title as a 1 and author is a minus 1. In indexing, 1 is indicator ascending and minus 1 is indicating descending order in a, yeah. So, okay, here the title 1 minus author is minus 1. Now, how to get the that created get index? Okay, in indexing there are multiple types are there. In for you have to using a single and multi value of a indexing. Okay, this is how they we getting the indexes. Okay, I hope this is clear. If you have any queries, please comment. I will try to reply. Okay, this is how aggregation is done, and we get the output of aggregation like this. Okay, so thank you.